Let's go through a step-by-step guide to the mortgage pre-approval process. Getting a home loan can seem overwhelming and daunting, while in reality, there are lots of ways to make the process easier and more efficient. And if you're just starting your journey into real estate, well, congratulations. This video is a great first step to getting your feet wet. Because when it comes to purchasing a home, contacting your lender first will make sure you know how much purchasing power you have. And if you like this video, before we get started or get too far ahead, give this video a like and make sure that you subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let us know what questions you have and how we can help. So let's dive in. First off, it's important to note that a pre-approval is different than a pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is a very quick and simple process where a lender reviews the basic financial information you provided to estimate how much you might be able to borrow. A pre-approval, on the other hand, involves a more thorough review of your financial documentation and provides a more accurate estimate of how much you can borrow. Going from initial phone call to pre-approval, it typically involves the following 7 steps. Step 1. The first step in the pre-approval process is to gather your financial information, such as your income and assets and employment history. This information is used by the lender to determine your credit worthiness and your ability to repay the mortgage. To make this process easier and faster, gather all of those documents, including your pay stubs, your bank statements, your tax returns, and your employer information before starting the application process. That way, the data you will enter into the loan application in the next step is more accurate and protects against surprises. Once you've gathered all of your financial information, step 2 is completing a mortgage application. The application will include information about the property you're interested in purchasing, such as purchase price, location, HOA dues, as well as your personal and financial information. Fill out the application as completely and accurately as possible, double-checking the information before submitting it to the lender. But don't be stressed out or worried if you don't have all of it or if you made a mistake. This initial loan application will go through several iterations before we're done, so we can make edits long after you submit. Also, if you don't have a property picked out, just estimate the purchase price and down payment. This number is not set in stone, but it does give the lender a great starting point. 3. After submitting your application, the lender will likely request additional supporting documents, such as maybe the most recent pay stub, or your tax returns, or a bank statement with all pages. These documents will be used to verify the information you provided in the application. Now, most electronic loan applications today will prompt you to upload these documents along the way. However, once received, the lender might ask you for further clarifying documentation. That last blank page in the bank statement. Be prepared to provide any documents requested as quickly as possible. Delays in providing them can slow down the pre-approval process. Once you've submitted your loan application and your supporting documents, Step 4 is where the lender will pull your credit in and review all of the information to determine if you qualify for a mortgage. And if you do, how much you can borrow. But if you don't qualify yet, don't worry. Because step 5 is where our team excels. This is where a great lender can help you set up a plan for getting into a home as soon as possible. A little planning can go a very long way. Now, if you do qualify for a mortgage, the lender will discuss all of your loan options, their pros, their cons, and if they give you different purchase price or terms available. This step is where we get to provide you with a pre-approval letter. The letter will notate the maximum amount you can borrow based on your financial information and the property that you're interested in buying. Well, number 7 is the best step. Shop for a home. Provide the pre-approval letter to your real estate agent to help you shop for homes within your budget. That letter will also demonstrate to sellers that you are a serious buyer. In this market, it's so important to make as strong an offer as soon as possible, because good homes priced right and staged well are still selling for well over asking. I hope this helped you get ready to make your first call and take that leap into homeownership. Give the Rueth team a call today to get started and let us go to work for you.